So when we look at these and compare them, you get all kinds of little goodies in this one with the book, and you get some stickers with the Vivid Scribbles. But the biggest difference, I think, is that this has not quite double the pages, but it has a lot more pages. So if you're trying to put a full year into one journal, Vivid Scribbles is better. If you don't worry about that and you want to just start out and you get a little ruler and other things that can help you start out, this one's better. So they're both roughly about the same price. So I think that Vivid Scribbles is, to me, a better buy because it's a thicker journal, even though you get little things with this one. So that's my comparative. But if you're on a budget and you just want to start, this is a good one to start with because it gives you a ruler, a couple of stickers to start you out with, some little clips to mark your pages, and it's a good little journal to start with. So this is your budget journal for this month, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, Muppy.